In today's video, I will walk you through how to make donor list in Salesforce. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open Salesforce and move to the sidebar area on the left side of the screen. From there, locate and select Contacts. This will open the Contacts section, where your available contact records and contact list views are managed inside Salesforce. After the Contacts page finishes loading, move toward the List View area near the top of the page. In this section, locate the drop-down menu or Edit option connected to the current contact list. Open that menu and continue by selecting My Contacts from the available options. Salesforce will then refresh the page and display the contacts connected to that list view. Once the contact records appear on the screen, move to the right side of the page and locate the option labeled List View Controls. Select List View Controls to open the available management settings for contact list views inside Salesforce. After the menu opens, continue by selecting New. Salesforce will then open the setup form used for creating a brand new list view. This is the section where the donor list configuration will be created. Inside the new list view form, move to the list name field and enter donor list as the name for the new view. After entering the list name, continue reviewing the remaining fields displayed on the screen. Next, move down to the list API name field. Salesforce may automatically generate the API name based on the list name you entered. In this example, continue by using the same donor list name with an underscore format inside the API name field. After completing the API name section, continue reviewing the remaining options available in the setup form. Salesforce will also display visibility settings for the list view. Move to the visibility section and choose who can access the donor list. Depending on the available options shown on your screen, you may see choices such as Only You or All Users. Select the visibility option you want to apply to the donor list configuration. Once the list name, API name, and visibility settings have been completed, review the information displayed on the page to confirm everything looks correct. After reviewing the setup details, move down through the page and select Save. Salesforce will then process the new list view setup and create the donor list inside the Contacts section. Wait a few moments while the page reloads and updates the contact list settings. Once the donor list appears successfully in the available list views, the process for making a donor list in Salesforce will be completed. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.